Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well. So I just got back from a summer vacation. It was amazing, but it was really hot. It was like 41 degrees hot, and I was walking throughout the day, just eating lots and lots of food. And food that does not really work well with me. So not only am I breaking out, I have literally like 5 different shades all over my body, and there's like a lot of irregular tanning everywhere. So once I got back, it was time for me to do a lot of TLC on my skin. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the tan removal facial kit from Everyuth, and I'm hoping this will help elevate the dullness in my skin. So I don't usually condone like removing tan in the sense that you're doing it when you're not okay with the color of your skin, and don't do it to change the color of your skin or your natural skin tone. If you do have severe tanning due to a lot of sun exposure, only then I would condone removing tan. So this is in no way me facilitating like lightening your skin or anything. So just fair disclaimer before anyone gets mad in the comments. So I'm just trying this because I just want to get back to wearing the same foundation shade like I am, and I just want to get back to that skin tone, that's all. So the Everyuth tan removal facial kit has 5 products or steps in it, and I also thought the ingredients in this kit were pretty interesting, with a combination of chocolate and cherry. So because it has chocolate and cherry, I'm guessing that this smells really good. So let's jump right into it. I'm really glad that all of the steps are mentioned in the packaging, so it's really helpful, and the size of the tubes are so cute. It makes the kit really travel friendly and very sanitary for multiple uses. Okay, so step number 1 is to use the lemon and cherry face wash. Let me take a small amount of the face wash and lather it all over my face very gently. Oh my god guys, this face wash smells so good. It smells really fresh. So now that I am done lathering it up, let me quickly rinse it. Okay, so the next step is to use the chocolate cherry scrub. Now that we have cleaned our skin, let's move on to exfoliating. I'm using this all over my face and my neck, and I'm using a very gentle circular motion to ensure that all of the dead skins are lifted and removed from the skin. The scrub in itself is very gentle. I expected it to be grittier than what it is, and now that I have rinsed my face feels extremely smooth, and I think you can visibly see the brightness. Okay, so now that we're done with exfoliating, it's time for a massage. I think this is my favorite step. So we're going to use the chocolate cherry massage cream. This will help in nourishing the skin once it's exfoliated, and it's also going to improve the blood circulation in your skin. Using motions like this that I'm showing in the video will really help in improving the blood circulation. The cream in itself is very soft. It smells super nice and has almost melted into my skin. Once we're done with the massage, which felt super relaxing, let's move on to applying a face pack. So this is the chocolate cherry face pack. I really like the consistency of the face pack. It is very easy to apply on your face. I am applying this on my face and my neck. I'm going to keep it on for around 15 to 20 minutes, and once that is done, I actually removed it while I took a shower. So I removed it and rinsed it using warm water. I really loved the way the face pack made my skin look and feel, and I really loved the way the face pack smelled. It literally smelled like chocolate ice cream. Last but not the least, it's time to apply the chocolate cherry serum. I'm going to take a small amount of the serum and apply it by tapping it all over my face. I love that the kit comes with the serum instead of a very heavy cream, so it's very easy to apply. It really penetrates better than a very greasy moisturizer. So that's it. Those were all of the steps involved in using the tan removal kit from Everyuth. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments down below. I have also linked it in the information box in case you want to try it yourself. It is super affordable. You can do it anywhere. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please subscribe to my channel in case you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!